Blimey. Well, I'm just using the webcam on my laptop. I thought I would test it out today. Today is a rainy day, so I've been playing guitar, just laying around, not really doing anything. It's only like 10 o'clock in the morning, but I've been playing guitar. I broke the cord that goes from the amp to the guitar for my electric guitar, so that kind of sucks because I was planning on trying to record something. And being a rainy day today, I thought I would just play a little part of a song I wrote a couple years ago called Rainy Day. I thought I'd play that for you guys for a minute. I haven't really recorded everything together or really worked on music too much lately. Been too busy with work and just everything, life in general. But yeah, here's part of a rainy day for you guys. Yeah, I've been trying to get back into my music, creativity, and hopefully with this new laptop I'll be able to record more, and it'll give me more inspiration to work on my music and work on other projects. I know my hair is kind of, I just got up not too long ago, but thought I would share that with you guys. And coming up on my 50th hookah review, and that's going to be interesting. I'm going to be trying to shoot that this week, parts of it this week, and possibly this weekend. So I just have one question for you guys. What do you guys do on rainy days? Leave comments below. I'll see you guys later.